Good afternoon to all. Honorable Minister Sri Roganji, Honorable MP Tanavedeji, and the dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, and ladies and gentlemen. It's a pride for us being the oldest scientific organization of India, representing Geological Survey of India in this third destination Goa. In fact, we have attended the second destination Goa also, and the support that has been rendered by the Honorable MP last time and this time is heartwarming. And being a small state, and they want to showcase the various scientific achievements of Goa and other organizations, in particular other scientific organizations from all over India are attending this show. Sir, it's a huge pride for us to attend this exhibition, and Honorable Minister has extended his support to this program, and he has made his time to visit, and each and every stall he has visited and interacted with our people. That's a great joyous moment for us. And in this moment, I would like to congratulate this Avishkar Exhibitions, who is organizing this event regularly year after year. I wish them all the best of luck and good wishes. Coming to Geological Survey of India, we being the oldest scientific organization, we have been into mineral exploration and basic mapping of the entire country for the past 175 years. And nowadays we are reading in newspaper about a lot of landslides, earthquakes, and various natural calamities. We being the nodal agency for all those natural calamities, we render our support to the state government as and when required, and we give the mitigative measures, how to come out of this, or how to stabilize the lands which are hilly, like especially in Goa. We take up the work, sir. And apart from this, Goa being a mineral rich state, though it is the aerial extent is very less, the iron ore content of Goa is huge, and we being the organization which has been marked by central government, we have given support to Goa government in establishing the entire iron resource of Goa. And even the Supreme Court recently has given a direction to re-evaluate the iron ore resources, that we are doing it. So we render our support, sir, wholeheartedly. So whenever there is a requirement, we will like to extend our support as and when. And Goa CM, sir, has personally has interacted with us during the State Geological Program Board meeting, and he want to establish our office here, sir. So we would like to extend, we would like to seek your support in this endeavor. And basically, the natural calamities affect the human population like anything. It gives a mass destruction to not only to human life as well as to material life. So mitigating this, stabilizing the slopes, and making the engineering steps how to avoid these calamities is a basic thing that we should all ensure, that being a government organization and scientific organization get involved in this type of mega projects, and so that all wealth of this state is preserved in this proper manner. I once again congratulate all the stalls, all the scientific members, all the state, central and state PSUs who have visited this stall and who has established this stall. And I thank you once again for giving this opportunity. Thank you.
आजच्या मेगा एक्झिबिशनाक हांगा व्यासपीठाचेर उपस्थित गोंय राज्याचे पर्यटन खात्याचे मंत्री, परवरचे आमदार रोहनबाब खंवटे, हांगा बाकीचे जे आसा ताचे भितर कौशिकजी, नंदगोपालजी, अलोकजी, हे ऑर्गनायज करपाक हांगायल्ली मनी तिवारीजी, सगळे पत्रकार आनी वेगवेगळ्या डिपार्टमेंटाचे प्रतिनिधी जे हांगा आयल्यात, त्या सगळ्या देशभरांतल्या भावांनी भयणांनो, सगळ्यान पयलीं हांव आविष्काराचे मनी तिवारी आनी तांची पूर्ण टीम हांचे हांकां कॉंग्रेचुलेट करता. दीस इज द थर्ड ईयर, ये तीसरा साल है इस साल ये एग्जीबिशन इधर ऑर्गेनाइज हो रहा है. मनी तिवारी जी मुझे प्रेस कर रही थी, लेकिन मुझे लगता है कि हमारी सरकार जो भी अलग अलग स्कीम्स लाती है, हमारे अलग अलग गवर्नमेंट के जो डिपार्टमेंट है, वो डिपार्टमेंट बहुत अच्छा काम करते हैं, लेकिन वो सबके सामने आए. और दिस इज़ द पर्पस ऑफ ए एग्जीबिशन है. जिस तरह से DRDO हो, जल शक्ति हो, अलग अलग जो डिपार्टमेंट, जियोलॉजिकल सर्वे ऑफ इंडिया हो, ये सब जो काम कर रही है देश में अंडर द लीडरशिप ऑफ नरेंद्र मोदी जी, वो लोगों को मालूम होना चाहिए। अलग अलग स्कीम्स है गवर्नमेंट की, कॉरपोरेशंस की स्कीम, सरकार की बहुत स्कीम्स है और सरकार चाहती है कि ये स्कीम्स लोगों ने लेनी चाहिए। और इस माध्यम से ये जो आज मेगा एग्जीबिशन इधर आया है, ये एग्जीबिशन के माध्यम से गोवा की सरकार में भी जो अलग अलग, अभी हमने ईडीसी का भी जो एक स्टॉल देखा, हमारे मिनिस्टर ने बताया कि मैं ये जो स्टार्टअप के लिए आई विल सी दैट स्टार्टअप के लिए भी यूज कर सकूं। जो बहुत ऐसे स्कीम्स है कि लोगों को ये स्कीम्स लेनी चाहिए। अगर हम चाहते कि बाय 2047 हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी जी का जो विजन है कि हम ये वर्ल्ड में नंबर 1 हो सके, तो ये अगर नंबर 1 होना है तो ये सब जिनको ये स्कीम देके हमें ऊपर लाना है। और इसके लिए सरकार चाहती है कि ये बहुत स्कीम्स है उनको मिलनी चाहिए। हमारी सरकारी डिपार्टमेंट अलग अलग बहुत अच्छे काम करते हैं। हमारे मिनिस्टर, टूरिज्म मिनिस्टर भी इधर है। उनकी कोशिश रहती है कि इधर आने वाले लोगों को सब सुविधा मिले, लेकिन ये होने के बावजूद भी हमें मालूम होना चाहिए कि क्या एग्जैक्टली वो अवेयरनेस जो है, ये अवेयरनेस इस माध्यम से होता है। जो एग्जीबिशन जो होता है, एग्जीबिशन के माध्यम से हमारी सरकार क्या कर रही है, हमारी लोकल सरकार में क्या हो रहा है, केंद्र सरकार हमारी क्या कर रही है, कौन सी स्कीम ला रही है, ये सबके लिए ये इज द वन ऑफ द एग्जीबिशन रहता है। एग्जीबिशन के माध्यम से हमें सबको ये पता चलता है। और इसके लिए मैं आप सबका, क्योंकि मैं हिंदी में इसलिए बातचीत की क्योंकि इधर जो सभी जो एग्जीबिशन में भाग लिए हुए सभी पूरे देश से आए हुए। कोंकणी में बात किया तो कोंकणी मैंने शुरू किया, लेकिन बाद में सबको ये मालूम होना चाहिए कि क्या हम बता रहे। सो इसके लिए मैं आप सबसे, सभी डिपार्टमेंट्स, हमारे सभी मिनिस्टर, क्योंकि जिनसे जिनसे मेरी बात हुई होल हार्टेडली सब मिनिस्टर ने कॉपरेट किया। मैं बोला कि हमारे गोवा में भी एग्जीबिशन होना चाहिए और ये एग्जीबिशन 3 दिन इधर रहेगा। आज हमारे मुख्यमंत्री डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत जी आने वाले थे और हमारे पर्यटन मंत्री कल आने वाले थे, लेकिन मुख्यमंत्री को अर्जेंट थोड़ा काम पड़ा दिल्ली में तो आ नहीं पाए। तो हमारे मिनिस्टर जी ने लास्ट मिनट में भी हाँ कहा कि अपना शेड्यूल चेंज किया और इस एग्जीबिशन के इनॉग्रेशन में आ गए, क्योंकि उन्हें लगा कि अगर मेरे स्टेट में अगर कोई एग्जीबिशन आ रहा है, पूरे अलग अलग डिपार्टमेंट के लोग आ रहे हैं, तो इट इज़ मेरी भी जिम्मेदारी होती है कि मैं आऊँ। भाई पूरे शेड्यूल में उन्होंने वक्त निकाले, आज आए हैं। कल हमारे मुख्यमंत्री भी आएंगे और परसों हमारे इंडस्ट्री मिनिस्टर भी आएंगे। समापन जो कार्यक्रम रहेगा उसमें आएंगे और इसमें हमारा प्रयास है कि मैक्सिमम बच्चे भी इसमें शामिल हो जाए और मैक्सिमम जो है वो लोग आके इसका बेनिफिट ले, स्कीम के बारे में जानकारी ले। हमारी सरकार अंडर द लीडरशिप ऑफ नरेंद्र मोदी जी क्या कर रही है इसके बारे में पता, उनको भी पता चले, ताकि हमारी सरकार जिस तरह से केंद्र में नरेंद्र मोदी जी की सरकार और गोवा में डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत जी की सरकार जिस तरह से काम कर रही है, इसके बारे में सबको पता चले। मैं मनी तिवारी जी का धन्यवाद देता हूँ कि ये ऑर्गेनाइज करने के उन्होंने इनिशिएट किया और सभी हमारे अलग अलग डिपार्टमेंट के जो अधिकारी इसमें शामिल हुए, अलग अलग कॉरपोरेशन के, हमारे स्टेट गवर्नमेंट और सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट, सबको धन्यवाद देते हुए मैं मेरे वाणी को विराम देता हूँ। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
own MP from Rajya Sabha and ex Bharatiya Janata Party State President Shri Sadanand Shet Tanawade ji, Dr. Vipin Kaushik ji, Dr. Nanda Gopal, Alok ji, Mani Tiwari ji, all our people who have been representing various institutions come from various parts of the country, other participants, my media friends, ladies and gentlemen. I'm very happy and honored to be here for this inaugural function, basically where our Sadanand ji has been the patron. When I was coming here, I was just asking him what is the whole exhibition about and what is the thought process. When I heard him talk about the whole initiative, I was very happy that first time our MP, some MP from the state of Goa, has taken an initiative to share more thoughts and awareness about what happens in the country. Goa is a small place and we are a tourism state. So first and foremost, all the participants who have been coming from various parts of the country, welcome to Goa. I hope you all are having a good stay and a memorable stay for the next 3 days. If any inconvenience is there, we have a 1364, please call up. And if you all are happy, also call up 1364 and tell them you all are happy about it. Talking about where we are and talking about our third destination, Goa at 25, we always talk about how Goa as a product can be the first to achieve the milestones laid by our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji in terms of being Vikasit Goa in tune with Vikasit Bharat. When we have these ideas talking about Atmanirbhar Bharat and Vikasit Bharat, it is very important that our Chief Minister is calling about Swayambhurna Goa. So if we need to tune all these things, we need to ensure that the empowerment of the last mile, whether it's a farmer, whether it's the youth, whether it's the women, or whether it is the people below the poverty line, get maximum benefits out of schemes and are able to find a different thought process for their future. The youth in Goa normally need an exposure coming out of the normal thought of government jobs and coming about sectors, how it can be opening for them. And they need to see the world with a wider scope. If the youth are the future, and we have the highest number of youth in the country, then it becomes responsibility of every government to ensure that they create dividends which are demographically dividends for the youth and for the country and not become a liability. Now, if we need to tune and curate this, there are certain things which need to be built around as stories which allow the youth to come into this ambit, be a part of the institutions, be a part of the understanding what it is. When Mr. Nandagopal was talking about his geological survey of India, I could see the passion with what he was talking. I'm sure half of the people here must have not understood what he's saying. But he was trying to tell about his whole role in how they play towards the country. Goa is something which has been historically known for iron ore and how they have played their role in Goa. But what I'm trying to put across over here, that the outreach program which has been lined up with Mani Tiwari ji, whom I would like to congratulate with all her team for having put up a nice effort to get all the institutions at one place. The outreach program to schools and the colleges is utmost important. So that is where the exposure lies. That is where the people need to know, the students need to know. We saw the submarines, we saw the technological advances of how we have been able to put the torpedoes aside, things even which we didn't know when we went for a round. I was telling Sadananji, I said, sometimes we also don't know what is happening, and this allows us for food for thought. This is something which was long required, and I think this has come today for 3 days. Maximum Goans, I believe, should take benefit out of this particular place, coming and interacting with the representatives of every institution, trying to understand what they have across their table. At the same time, how best it can benefit us as the youth or us as Goa and for Goans. I should thank our Honorable MP Sadananji for having bought this thing as a patron. He always has good ideas, and we have always been with him to ensure that he's able to carry these things. Coming as an MP of Rajya Sabha gives Goa much more added advantage, because we are pretty sure, along with his guidance and advice, Goa will start marching towards Vikasit Bharat and Atmanirbhar Bharat with the double engine Sarkar that we have at the center in the state. He has put efforts to ensure that the party keeps winning elections, and that is where we are in the third term as Bharatiya Janata Party under Dr. Pramod Sawantji, and working towards ensuring that Swayambhurna Goa happens in all part, and our outreach to every last mile happens in the right manner, so we are able to participate in the state building, which will lead to nation building and ensure that Vikasit Bharat 2047 is driven, and Goa is one of the first states to achieve it. I take this opportunity to congratulate Mani Tiwari ji for having had this organized very nicely and efficiently, and thank her for having invited us for this inaugural program. I wish her all the best, convey my best wishes to all the participating stalls, and definitely I think things which have started should continue. I'm pretty sure Dr. Pramod Sawant will continue, our Chief Minister will continue this thought process to enlighten Goa and Goans with much more things where we otherwise would have not been a part. Going to Delhi and understanding in different institutions becomes a tough cycle for a Goan. But every institution coming here, DRDO, ICAR, Geological Survey, all coming at one point and we getting the benefit. I think January 2025, the new year has started with some good news for Goans. Wishing you all the best. Thank you. Dev Bare Karu. That means God bless you all. Jai Hind, Jai Gomantak.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.